Welcome to day number 5 of doing the Tesla. So we've kind of cracked on already today. We didn't manage to capture a morning one for you guys, so I hope you've had a fantastic morning. You know, it's almost late time for us now, but we are now finishing off the front bumper because today we've done quite a bit. The side pillars are now fully done. The back end has been fitted on. We haven't put the badges back on, but the lights and all that is back on. Right now, we're just clay barring the front bumper before we start wrapping it. And that's probably the outside wrapping pretty much done until we do the decals. And then it's window tinting time. And then the car is done. So we still got quite, actually, there's something else that we're doing as well, bro. You've got to do something, ain't you, Hamza, to the calipers? But these calipers are not done. We've got these calipers, but they're missing one thing. Some stickers to go along here, saying Tesla. So Hamza's going to be making some stickers for this. We're going to be putting the Tesla back on because we covered it up when we were painting. And then we're going to be doing something special on the inside. But we're going to show you guys. We're not going to tell you about that. We're going to show you guys what we're doing on the inside of this. So yeah, cool beans. Why, bro? Why are you taking our wing mirror off? All that hard work wrapping it, and Hamza is taking it off, guys. Why?
Selling it on eBay. Can make a fiver off it. Unless you want to come first and first serve.
Hey, who's on it? We're taking beats. Right, so unfortunately for us, while we were checking the car over, we decided we wanted to do the wing mirrors in a different style, because the style that we'd done them, which was one piece going all the way around, we didn't think it was the safest. We didn't think it would last the longest. So we're gonna go 2-piece on these wing mirrors now. So Hamza is taking it off. HE's already started banging the other one out. So yeah, it's firing. But the Tesla is almost done now, guys. Honestly, it's there. Wheels are back on now. Look at that caliper through them wheels. Man, that shit is sick. It is not a Tesla caliper unless it's got a Tesla sticker, bro.
And it's a little bit customized because we made it a teeny bit bigger and we've done it in satin black. So it stands out, and voila.
Of day 5, and guys, there's something that excites me that we did. Check this out, man. The contrast between the matte black, the gloss black, to me just looks so sick. You combine it with our D-chrome, oh my days, that's just a sick combination, I think. But today we didn't manage to do as much as we're normally able to do because we also had other things going, and for the week really we've been prioritizing the Tesla, so we're to get other things done today. But we managed to get all the most of the D-chrome done. Come tomorrow, we're going to be finishing off the D-chrome that's left over, finishing off the front bumper, and then jumping onto little bits and bobs like the window tints, the stickers, and all that. But for now, you guys go rest, because I'm definitely going home now.